Body acidity, 4 signs that your body is very acid, and how to fix it. The human body, from the brain to the gut, is a balanced system of cells, bacteria, and chemicals. The pH level of the body is one of the indicators that something is out of balance within the body. However, what exactly is the pH in the body and how do we know if it is imbalanced? To be simple, pH levels are measures of alkalinity or acidity of our organization, which are very important. For example, the stomach needs a high acidity in order to digest food. By contrast, the immune system needs alkalinity. The pH scale ranges from 0 to 14. The level of acidity is higher when the numbers are low. The ideal balance is 7, which is the perfect level and seeks the ideal for proper function of all systems environment. However, the body becomes very acid and sometimes it causes damage. Signs that tell you that your body is very acidic. For this, you must place close attention to how the body works. 1. Overweight. When the body is very acid, it produces more insulin, therefore, more fat. Detoxification systems of the body cannot cope with a large amount of acid in the body and returns it to fat tissue, where it binds to cells. In addition, metabolism, which depends on a normal alkalinity, cannot function as it should and this prevents the body to burn calories. 2. Weakness bone. The body is very efficient and has its own intelligence, and if it is very acidic, alkaline seeks somewhere. In such cases, the body removes nutrients from the bones. At first no visible symptoms, but after a while you will notice that the bones are getting weak. This is often followed by fractures of the bones and an increased risk of osteoporosis. 3. Dental sensitivity. According to a 2015 study published by the International Journal of Chemical Engineering and Applications, high acidity in the body is related to a decrease in the strength of dental enamel. In case you have tooth decay or you cannot eat hot or cold foods without feeling pain, you might be affected by a degradation of tooth enamel due to acid. 4. Sleep problems. According to surveys, Americans belong to groups of people deprived of sleep. When calcium levels are low, the chances of having insomnia increase. Solves the problem this way. If you notice these symptoms, you need to implement some changes. 1. Diet. An alkaline diet is one of the best ways to combat heartburn. He has helped several people even beat cancer. An alkaline diet includes fruits and vegetables, nuts, seeds, vegetables. 2. You must avoid cereal box, sugar, white sugar, all types of processed sugar, especially high fructose corn syrup, which is made with genetically engineered corn. Dairy excess, caffeine in excess, canned sausages, sausage, Viennese. 3. Apple cider vinegar and baking soda. This is a very efficient remedy. Simply mix 1/3 teaspoon of baking soda with 2 tablespoons of organic apple cider vinegar. The mixture is bubbly at first, but when you stop to bubble, add water to drink a good glass of all this mixture. 4. Begins to use new cleaning products. Most cleaning products are very acidic and can impact the balance of the body. Use natural cleaning products instead of commercials. We hope this video has been useful. If it is the case, we invite you to share it through social networks so that more people know the benefits.